Good morning, everybody. Well, this is the FTSE and it's the monthly chart we're looking at the moment. Now you can see that December closed below this 23.6 at 68.69. This is not good news for the FTSE, I'm afraid. If you look at these long-term indicators, you can see that we've converged on the moving average to close lower. We've closed below the 55-month moving average, which isn't great. We are below currently the monthly pivot, which is at 68.03. We're trading around 66 to 66.70 pre-open. Now, even that is below the daily pivot. But if you look at the weekly pivot, we're coming in at 66.70. So, you know, we're right on that at the moment. So, enough of the monthly. We can see this long-term monthly chart, and that will be coming in, and you've got to keep this in your brain. That will be coming in the uptrend line at 64.37. Alright, so now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Now last week we had a bit of a wobble on the downside with the lows at 65.36. We actually closed higher last week. So, but remember that was Christmas week, and everything gets a bit skewed up, unfortunately, at Christmas time. So we did have a good close, no doubt about it, but can we sustain it? We've got to stay above this 66.70. Okay, now if we can't, and it is looking under pressure again, but if we can't, we're going to come down and we're going to test this 61.8, which is at 64.16. Now remember what I said, the long-term week monthly uptrend is at 64.37. So all around this area here is going to be of extreme importance to us over the next couple of days, weeks. But it really is. Now, to get FTSE out of the woods, we really want to get, one, above the monthly pivot, but two, really back above this 38.2 at 69.84. We've still got all these moving averages. We've got the 200 week moving average coming in at 69.60. You know, that's 300 points away, but who knows in this market? Personally, I think we've still got a lot of pressure to the downside. We've got all of our indicators, the rate of change, the RSI, the stochastics, all of them are looking quite negative. So let's see what we've got for today. Right, so I put those Fibonacci's on again from the 3rd of December. And you can see, alright, we are, before we go to press, just around this area here. Our daily pivot is at 66.86. We're below that, but as I say, it's pre-open. We've got half an hour before we open. If we can stay above this area here, which is our weekly and our daily pivot, we've got a very strong chance of getting up to this 67.67, 68.03 area. If you look at where the 68.03 monthly pivot comes in, it comes in at around our 21-day moving average, which is at 68.11. Those are the levels that we're watching today. If we can't hold that 66.70 area, then unfortunately we're going to come back and we're going to go down towards last week's low, which came in at 65.36, but with much more potential to go down and test, as I've said, that 64 37, 64, 16 area. Good luck. I'll be with you all after.